We're in the Painted Tree community in McKinney, Texas. We're at another beautiful Drees Custom Home. If you notice, the garage is on the back, allowing the beautiful elevations to shine with this front wraparound porch and all the extra details. Let's go inside and take a look at it. As we walk in, on the right of the entry, we have this nice size formal dining room with a bunch of natural light, which flows right into the Butler's pantry with a bunch of nice storage. Flowing into the kitchen, open floor design with the main living space. A nice size countertop where you can put your stools and have morning coffee. Over here is KitchenAid 6-burner stove with the fan above. Nice farmhouse sink. You can put your trash right next to it. Plenty of storage space. Got nice sized cabinets. You got drawers right below the stove. And over here, it's a little nook with more storage and a walk-in pantry. Next to that is the laundry room, which has natural light, cabinets above. Then if we go this way, off of the kitchen is this nice breakfast nook. Flowing into the hallway to the garage, you have 2 coat closets, right with your mudroom space for storing all your shoes, hanging your coats, putting your keys above. And out here is your 3-car garage. From the garage entry, there's a door out to your covered patio. And over off of the living space, you have this nice entertainment sliding glass door that also goes out to your backyard. A nice mantle by your fireplace. And over here is the primary suite. Nice view out to your backyard with the raised ceiling above, which flows right into the primary bathroom. We got 2 vanities opposite of each other, freestanding tub under the windows. Over here is the shower. Nice size rain head. Over here is the toilet room with a bunch of storage in between. And then flowing right into the primary closet. Bunch of space. It's really long, got shelving, this huge rack going to the opposite side. Now let's go back to the main area. Here in the center of the house is this curved staircase taking you upstairs. Right off of that is the office or study with these double doors. And right over here, you actually have some storage for your office. Now we're going to take a look at the front bedroom. Right off the entryway, we have a hall bath with a shower. The nice sized shower head. And then that flows right into the front bedroom with a walk-in closet. This closet leads to the understairs storage, which wraps around with the stairs. Now let's go upstairs. The landing brings you to this massive game room. Overlooks all the trees. Here's a nook allowing for attic access, flowing into the next bedroom with a walk-in closet and an ensuite bath. Here's the media room. They already have it wired up for all your entertainment needs. We have the hall bath for the upstairs. Here we have the final bedroom with another walk-in closet. Let's head to the backyard. With the wraparound porch being such a cool feature, let's walk around it and then go into the backyard. If you're looking for a dog run, this is a nice area that gives them some space outside while being gated in. Let's go around to the other side. On this side of the house, you have a nice sized side yard leading to the main backyard. Ton of space for you to play games, plant some trees. You can see the covered entertainment space flowing right outside of the main living area. And then over here, we can go out this gate leads to your rear garage access. And then you have this lane that allows you to get in and out, while the front is got all that detail without the garages. To schedule a tour or to learn more, reach out and let's make your dream home a reality.